Okay guys, in today's video I'll be showing some of my gadgets that I use. Yeah, they are not much, but my little gadgets that I use for my YouTube channel. And yeah, this video has been pending for a very long time, and I would have done this video for maybe in the past few months or few weeks, but I've just been pending this video for a very long time, and now the video is finally here. Please, if you're here to watch this video, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment and share. Thank you very much. Now let's go into my gadget. And at first, when I want to start my YouTube channel, and yeah, I'm using my phone. I'm still using my phone. So but I need a tripod stand. So I got a tripod stand. It's a tripod stand I'm using right over there. And I started using a tripod stand without a microphone. Now if you check my very first video, there was no microphone. So I think one or two videos, so there was no microphone. So I started this channel without a microphone. So but for my few videos, about 2 or 3 videos now, you see that I've started using a microphone. But prior to this time, was there a microphone? Of course, yes, there was a microphone, and this was it, and this is it. Where is it? And this was my microphone. So it comes along with a tripod stand. So there's a microphone, and there's also a light. This is very tiny light. Let me switch it on so that you see. This very tiny light. You see? But oh, okay. Use it. This is the light, and it's so very small. And sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't use it. So, but now in filming this video, I use my natural light. So that's what I use. So I don't majorly use this light. So yeah, it's actually good. So it comes along with the tripod stand. Also for the microphone, one thing about YouTube is that yes, you need to have a video quality and also your voice. So you need a microphone when shooting your video. So your microphone is very important. It means your voice. So some people, yes, you can use a natural voice without a microphone. It will also sound better. Trust me. I'm recording this video without a microphone, and trust me, it's going to sound better. True, but yeah, this was the microphone that um, comes with the tripod stand. So you just have to connect it with your phone. But I've been using this for some time, and to me, I can't find. It's like I'm not using a microphone, but yet there is a microphone. But it's as if I'm not using a microphone. And trust me, when I got this, so I tried to look at the difference. When I got this, I recorded with this and this. There was whole lot difference. Trust me. So if you check my videos and see my voice, you know that there's a lot of difference in my voice. So when I use this microphone and when I got this, I think I later got this from Jumia. So I ordered it from Jumia. So let me open it and let's see. What's the name? K9. Is it K9? K9 wireless microphone, and yeah, for live shows, and it's Type C and also for iPhone. So I'll just show you the components and everything. So really Type C. So let me open it and let's see. So um, like I said, this for the iPhone. So for those of you who use iPhone, it's majorly Type C. It's majorly Type C. So this for the iPhone, and this is for the Type C cord. So maybe if you are this should be connected to your phone. This will be connected to your phone, and if you're using Type C, this will be connected to your Type C. But you're using iPhone, you just connect your Type C with this and plug it to your iPhone. There's it. Then connect your charger. I think your power bank. If you are using a power bank or a charger, just connect it with it, and you are good to go. So if you're using an iPhone, just connect it. But you're using an Android Type C, like I'm using right here, I'll just connect it. Then I'll connect my power bank, my charger, and there is it. Now let's go to the microphone. I love this microphone so much. I think I love the packaging. You can see it. It's just so well arranged. This for the mic, and this for this little one right here. So it's just, you can see it too. Very, very, this is it. And as you can see, this is the microphone. So this is the power button. And trust me, ever since I started using this microphone, it's a whole lot. Trust me. I think you should get this microphone, K9 wireless microphone. K9 wireless microphone. This is it. So for those of you who wish to buy a microphone, trust me, you don't need those expensive microphone. When I wanted to buy a microphone, I was see 20 something thousand, 13,000. There was one that new came out. I think that one's about 100,000. I was like, no, I don't need this expensive gear for expensive microphone. So I think I got this around, was it 10 or 12,000? Around around thereabouts. That's, yeah, that I got this microphone. I got it around 12, 10. I can't actually remember the actual amount, but I think it's around 10 or 12,000 naira. I got this microphone, and trust me, when I'm watching most young YouTubers or upcoming YouTubers, this is the microphone they use, and it sounds so very clear. So when you are now upgrading, then you might now switch or improve your microphone. The other affordable and good microphones out there. So, but if you are starting, I recommend this K9 wireless microphone. Trust me, it's going to be very super helpful and super good for your video. So please, if you're out there as a young YouTuber and you are looking for expensive gear, do not buy expensive gear. So I've watched my tutor, like one of my tutor courses I got. It says just start with what you have. Use your phone. Like I'm using my phone right here. I'm using my phone to record and a little tripod stand. So yes, you will need a tripod stand. Trust me, you need a tripod stand. You just need a tripod stand. So you just get around. I don't know how much I got this my tripod stand. Was it around 9,000 or something? Yeah, 9,000. So I can't even actually remember because my tripod stand comes with the light and also with this microphone. So it's like a 3-in-1. So it's like a 3-in-1. So it comes with the light and the microphone. Yes, me. That's it about my tripod stand. There are some tripod stands just come alone. Some comes with light and microphone. So mine comes with a light and microphone. So if you are out there and you are saving money to get a tripod stand, just get a little tripod stand. Just get a little tripod stand, not that expensive. I think there are some tripod stands that are around 5,000 or something, 5,000 naira or something. So you can just get that, and you don't need expensive or because that was one of the mistakes I made when starting up YouTube. I need this, I need this, I need this, I need light, I need microphone, I need the. You don't need it. I'm using my phone, even my phone itself that I'm using is a bit kind of cracked. But yeah, my camera is still okay, and yeah, do some editing and other stuff. So you just keep improving, keep learning. So you don't need expensive gear. Like me, that was the mistake I did or I made last time. So and trust me, I wish I started earlier. I would have gone far or gone ahead. So do not wait for expensive gear. Trust me, do not wait for expensive gear. You don't need it. Just start with what you have. Trust me, you are going to be fine. Your videos will come out well with good lighting. Like I'm using my natural light. That's what you can see. I'm not even using this light. I'm not using it. So I'm using my natural light. So if you're using your natural light is okay because just watch YouTube videos. Those big YouTubers. I think when you scroll down to their YouTube videos or their lectures, when they are giving lectures on video, you just tell you if you can't buy light, use natural light. The natural light is okay. I'm using natural light. All my videos I'm using natural light. There's no lighting. I don't have money for lighting. Trust me. I'm still an upcoming YouTuber. I'm still yet to monetize. So use your natural light. Yes, it's good. Those natural are they not good? They are very good. So when you get monetized, so you increase your equipment, so you get a bigger light or not a bigger light, bigger tripod, or you can afford the camera. You can afford the camera. So I think that is my prospect, and that is what I'm looking out for, looking up to. So but for now, I stick with what I have. Make best quality videos, good videos, and educative videos that will impact lives, and that is it. That is it. And so if you're out there, if you want to get a microphone, I recommend the K9 microphone. The K9 microphone is very important, and you can also get a tripod stand, just a little tripod stand. So, And later in the video, I will just do a video about the tripod stand I use, so you see the tripod stand that I'm using. So that's it about this video, and please, thank you for those who watch my video. And if you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share. Please remember, learning never don't stop learning. Keep learning. Keep upskilling. Trust me, you will reach your goal. Thank you very much.